The Supreme Court has pulled up the government for delaying the approval process of the collegium's recommendations. The court has observed that the collegium had approved the transfer of 26 High Court judges. However, the process is still pending with the centre. Ashmit joins us now on Court Corner with more details. Ashmit, we're back on this issue again.
Well, indeed, this issue is not dying down. In fact, that is one of the issues that Justice Kaul, who's heading this bench, had conveyed to no less than the Attorney General. The Attorney General saying that, look, I need a week's time. I will convey these concerns. The concerns of the Supreme Court, we've heard it before, and it was reiterated once again, and this time substantiated with numbers. Justice Kaul said that he's not handicapped with the loss of numbers anymore. And towards that end, he pointed out that, look, as many as 26 High Court judges, which have been recommended by the collegium, the centre is just simply sitting on it, not approving those names. In fact, the Supreme Court also pointed out that there's one particular sensitive High Court which is operating without a Chief Justice, and that is also because the centre has not approved the recommendation for a Chief Justice of that very same sensitive High Court. So to that end, 1 week has been granted to the Attorney General to convey these concerns to the centre. But importantly, Justice Kaul observing that they are being quiet today. They are reserving their comments today as far as the conduct of the centre is concerned, out of courtesy for the Attorney General, and that if there is no rational, actionable response by the next hearing, the Supreme Court said it will not be quiet anymore. So again, a word of warning there coming in, not just for the Attorney General, but also for the centre to get cracking on these recommendations of the collegium.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. That is the latest on the issue of the Supreme Court pulling up the central government on the collegium recommendations. And with that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of Business 360. Thanks very much for watching. Do stay tuned. The news continues here right after this short break.